all the relevant columns, all these costs, all these question. So you are required to take a picture, and I'm going to be setting up breakout room. So there are 3 breakout rooms. So it means I would be needing 3 pictures, and everybody must participate that. So the smart strategy is everybody do their own work and then compare. And if you think that which one is the best one, so you write your group member's name and send the picture into the group. Okay. So I'm setting up the breakout room. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you already finished this group participation. Let's talk about this. So meanwhile, I also read the question. So I highlighted different, name of the cost. So we have the rental income, and that is the company is now decided to rent itself, right? And then 30,000. Then we have direct material cost, which is 80 per unit. Then we have a rental cost 500 of the warehouse. Then we have a rental cost of 4,000, which is the equipment rental cost. Then we have the labor cost, which is 60 per unit. Then we have depreciation. Then we have advertising costs. And then we have supervisor salary, which is the production supervisor salary. Then we have electricity cost, which is 1.20 per unit. Then we have cost of shipping, which is 9 per unit. And then we have the investment, 3,000. So which the company liquidated, which is the lost lost investment, right? So I forgot about this. Let me read that. To provide funds to purchase materials, meet payrolls, and so forth, the company will have to liquidate some temporary investments. The investments are presently yielding a return of about 3,000. Yes, right. So let's talk about this. So I have listed all this. There we go. Now, first of all, the rental revenue that foregone. Which category it belongs? So 2 categories that we missed here, which we don't have here. I wish I could have, but I think we don't have that complete question. Also, there are 2 categories based on direct and indirect. So we have indirect and direct. So these 2 are missing. Although we categorize here direct material, direct labor, but that are not the categories of direct or indirect. That are the categories of product cost or manufacturing cost, direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. Under manufacturing overhead, we have some indirect costs, right? So we missed 2 categories here. So I'm just gonna, explaining that one to you. So let's talk about this. Here we go. So now tell me, number 1, the rental revenue of 30,000 that is foregone. It is opportunity cost, right? That is the lost revenue. Direct material cost 80 per unit. Guys, what is your answer here?
Direct material in the product cost.
It is the direct material, and it is a variable cost as well, right? The more you use the material, the more it cost has, if you use 1 kg, if you use 2 kg, it varies. So here it belongs to 2 categories: direct material and variable costs, right? And then we have rental cost of warehouse, 500 per month. 500 per month. So look at the categories. It falls into, what did you, Group Jordan, what did you categorize this rental cost of warehouse?
I think we already sent it in the group, right?
Yeah. We
Yeah,
can,
we wrote fixed costs
you can
and
see the results as well. You can-
manufacturing overhead.
Well done. So it's a fixed cost and it's manufacturing overhead. Well done. Group Leo, rental cost of equipment 4,000 per month.
We have it as fixed cost.
Yes. And that also belongs to equipment. Now question is silent. Which equipment? If it is a head office equipment, then it's period cost. If it is the manufacturing equipment, then it would be a manufacturing overhead. Right? The first question is silent. We would consider it as
Yes.
administrative cost. Otherwise, question will only mention that it is a manufacturing equipment. Okay. And then direct labor cost 60 per unit. So the second group, I think third group, Group William.
Yeah. Depreciation is a period cost.
No. The direct cost 60 per unit.
I,
Variable
it's
one, right? And
direct labor.
direct labor. Very nice. Depreciation 8,000
It's
per year. It is fixed, right? And it also falls under the category of manufacturing overhead. Right? And then advertising cost. I heard group one discussing about where we put this advertising cost. So, Crystal, where did you put this 50,000 advertising cost?
We put fixed and period.
Fixed and very nice. Selling and administrative, very nice. And then supervisor salary. Now tell me the supervisor salary 1,500 a month. Camila. Or Stella.
Supervisor salary, right?
Yeah,
It's fixed cost.
well done. It's per month fixed cost and
Manufacturing overhead.
very nice. If we have a category of direct and indirect, then because of this,
Product cost.
if we had this supervisor salary of production of to oversee the production, if we had this category as well, direct and indirect, it would be a direct cost. Why? Because this supervisor salary is for oversee the production. It is for the production facility, right? So it will fall under this category of fixed cost and product cost under manufacturing overhead. Very nice. And we have electricity for machine 1.20 per unit.